Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your INFINIX Hot 6Ti. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume. First, you can adjust the call volume only while being in an active call, and you can adjust the media in the settings. So go over to the settings right here. Go to sound and vibration, and as you guys can see, here we have the volume adjustment. Now here you guys can bump your media up to the right, so to the loudest option, and there's no call volume right here, so we can only change it while being in an active call. What you guys can do next is disable do not disturb mode. So it's in the sound and vibration too, it's right up top, and my do not disturb is already disabled. But there was a glitch whenever you had the do not disturb mode enabled, then it would lower your volume significantly. So make sure to turn that off for the time of testing. And what you guys can do next is clean your speaker grills right up top here. Make sure that they are not filled with debris or dust, because this will block the connection and it will make your volume way lower than you want it to be. So after that, what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh the entire system and to fix any minor glitches. So hold the power button for 3 seconds, ignore anything that pops up. Now click restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once it's restarted. After the restart, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So head over and unlock your phone, go over to the settings, and right here in the settings, what you guys want to do is go over to my phone. After that, you need to click on the XOS, and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version to make sure that there's no old glitches on our device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.